Okay, in the last class we have seen this BCD code. Next, BCD code. Octal code is also there. Next, octal number system is different and octal code is there. Okay, everything is see. For example, in the octal next, I will show you. We have seen so far BCD code. Next, octal code. Yes. In this, binary code is there. No? This can be converted back into, for convenience, as octal code like this. Okay. For example, you take up 100,101. Okay. Okay. These three codes. Just before that, I will show you. What are the octal digits? 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, these are the octal digits. These are represented like this. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, like this. Okay, right. Actually, for human being convenient point of view, this binary code, binary representation is generally represented as a octal code. For example, you take this one, 37 is there now. So this is the code for 37. Okay, binary code. So the same thing we can write like this also. So 3 digits as one. From the least significant bit onwards, you have to group 3 bits as one group. Again another group. So this will represent what will it will represent what it is actually 5. Okay, it is 5. What about this one? Again, this is 3 bits as one group. If you take up 100 represents what is actually 100 represents 4 in the octal system. Okay, if you group this one and if you group this one, I am writing separately 101 again here 100. That means 4 to 1 the place values. Again here also you have 4 to 1. So that means here this is equal to 5. Again this is equal to 4. So in the octal 45 is the number. Okay. So 45 number in the octal number system is equivalent to how much? You see, 4 into 8 power 1 plus 5 into 8 power 0. So how much it is?
37.
Again 32. This is plus 5. So this is again equal to 37. Same 37 is represented as, so this is 37 in decimal number system. So like this, okay. If you group 3 bits as if you group 3 bits as one group, okay, like that, okay, you have to start from the least significant bit, okay, then you will get and give the octal decimal digit for this 101 represents in the octal code. You see 101, see here it is there, it is 5, okay, 101 means 5, no? Just a minute. Hmm. 101 means, see, it is 5, okay. Similarly 100, okay, or you see like this, okay, like it repeats 4, okay. So like that we have to develop this one. So 101 represents 5, like that. You take another one, another example. Let us say already we have taken it for 25. You take up 25. What is the binary code for 25? What is the binary code for 25? 11001. Okay. Let us see. Okay. 11001. 11001. Okay. This is for 25. Okay. For convenience, you can write like this. Okay. 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Place values. Place values. Okay. Okay. This is for 25. Okay, which is in the decimal number system. Okay, it's like this. Okay, the same 25 can be also represented like this also. If I want, this is 5-bit representation. Okay, this is a 5-bit representation. Okay, already you have seen 8-bit representation. How do we get 8-bit representation? Simply we have to add additional zeros as most significant bits, and here this is same thing, 11001. How many now? So what is the meaning here? This is a place value 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay, so I will just round off. Like this. These are place values. Okay, just as in the decimal number system, you have a place value, you know, like ones place, tens place, hundreds place, like this. You have thousands place, like this. You have no units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. అంతే కదా మన ఇది డెసిమల్ సిస్టమ్. దిస్ ఈస్ డెసిమల్ సిస్టమ్. సో జస్ట్ అట్లా ఐడియా కోసం పెట్టాను. Don't see this. Okay, so similarly in the binary number system, in the binary language, we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, like this, 256, 512, like this, go on. Okay, you have like that. Okay, so you have got, this is the 8-bit representation. 8-bit representation, okay, for 25. Okay, for 25. Okay, same thing for 25. It is like this. Okay, so in the octal, how to convert into, I want to get this in the octal number system. So what we have to do, you have to club 3 bits as one group. These 3 bits again, these 3 bits again. Now only 2 bits are there, or you can assume here one more bit is there, like that. Okay, So left remaining, or you just simply take it as it is, whatever bits are left. Okay, so how do you write this? 0 0 1 means it is 1, 0 1 1 means it is 3. Okay, so this is again 0, right? So 3 1, it is in the octal number system, which is equal to 25 in the decimal number system. Okay, right? So so again, reverse. For 3, you have to represent each digit of octal number system in the binary. Suppose a letter like this. Okay, so 1 is represented as 0 0 1. 3 is represented as 0 1 1. That's all. Okay, and this remaining zeros are there. Okay, or you can keep here 0 or just simply 31. Okay, so because this is 0 3 1, so 0 3 1, or you can write 0 3 1, no problem. Like this. So this is again equal to, or you can write 31 8. Okay, simply 0 1 1 0 0 1. Again you will get this is equal to 25. Even if you calculate again with the help of binary number system. Okay, again you will get the same thing. Okay, see how do you calculate with the help of binary number system. Okay, 0. Okay, here see 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 0 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. So what you will get, say this is 0 plus this is how much it is, 16 plus this is 8, and this is 0 plus this is 0 plus this is 1. Okay. Now how much it will be? Same thing you will get again. Okay, 25 you will get, isn't it? Like this, which is equal to again. See, so you will understand why this octal code is developed, just for human being easily recognizing. Because if you represent in the binary language, in the binary number system, any number, it will be long chain of bits. See, long chain of bits. So in order, just for convenience purpose, octal code, that is 3 bits is taken as one group, 3 bits, because in the octal number system, all the digits, in order to represent any digit in the octal number system, in the octal digits, with the help of binary system, in order to represent any digit of the octal number system. What is the octal number system? Octal number system consists of this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are the octal digits. Okay, these are the octal digits. Okay, so all these digits are coded. Okay, coding, we are giving some code for these digits. Okay, with the help of binary. Okay, this is called binary code. You can say binary code. Okay, like this, right? So finally you will come to know in the end, all these are developed just for human being convenience, but whereas computer can understand only zeros and ones. Okay, only zeros and ones, like that. So like that we can convert anything. Say for example, one more thing, take up any number. Okay, 56. Okay, in the binary system, or you can take in the first, you convert into octal number system. This is 56 is in the decimal number system. We want to develop a binary representation as well as octal number equivalent. Okay, for this first what I will do, 6 will be coded separately. 1 1 0, and separately 5. It is 1 0 1. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the this is a binary code for 56. And if you calculate, you see how I represented 6 is represented separately as 1 1 0, 5 as 101. See, this is equal to 6 now, and this is equal to 5, right? Oh, just a minute. Sorry, just a minute. This is something wrong. Some mistake. Okay. Now let us represent 56 in terms of binary. How do you represent? I told no. Simply you have to take these values 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. You make the formation of, you try to see the formation of 56 as sum of these values, So how do you get 56?
111 000.
Okay, that is the code. Just I want to show step by step. You require 32 and if
16, 8, sir.
8.
16 also, sir. 48 plus
16. So say 48.
8.
8. Okay. Simply like this you have to see. Okay. So 16. Okay, correct. 56. Okay. Like that, what you will do? Simply you have to put 32 means this is which bit this is. This is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 2 power 5. I will write. This is 32 means 2 power 5, 64 means 2 power 6. So simply it is 16 means 1, 0, 0, 0, and next 16 is there, 1, next 32 is also there. That's all. You have got binary representation for this. Okay, just for clarity, once again I will put here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So 32 is there. So we have put 1 under 32, and we have put 1 under 16, under 8, like that. That's all. Only these are required, okay, to make 56. That's all. So like that, we have got binary representation. Now I want to get octal representation. Octal representation for this. What we have to do? This 3 and
7.
7. So it is 70. So it is you have to write like this. Okay. So 70 in octal number system is equal to 56 in decimal number system. Okay. So you have to see this is a octal number system. This is in octal number system, whereas this is decimal number system. Decimal number system. So this is a binary code for this. Okay, like that. Okay. Now let us see hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal. Already you have seen hexadecimal number system. Also you have seen. Okay. Already number systems you have seen. Hexadecimal number system you have seen. Next, I want to introduce the ASCII code. Okay, this is the time to see about the ASCII code. So all these numbers are represented for the computer purpose in terms of the zeros and ones. Okay, and this octal number system or hexadecimal number system, these are developed just for the convenience of the human beings, not for the computer. Okay, just for the convenience of the human beings. Okay, right. Now let us see. I will show you the ASCII code. Okay. Right. Just a minute, please. Now, are you able to see this ASCII code?
No, sir. No, sir.
Kampistunda?
లేదు సార్.
ఆస్కీ కోడ్ అని నేను ఒక డిస్ప్లే చేశాను.
కనిపించట్లేదు సార్. ఇందాక మీరు రాసిందే కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
అచ్చా, నేను షేరింగ్ మళ్ళీ చేయాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, విండో కొద్దిగా షేరింగ్లో నాకు కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. అంటే నేను కొంచెం ఇంకా ఫెమిలియరైజ్ కావాలి. మీ గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది కొద్దిగా. ఓకే, ఒక నిమిషం. Right. Now I think you are able to see ASCII code.
ఎస్ సార్.
Sir. Okay. This is the code for representing every symbol. Okay, that is numbers, alphabets, and some special symbols, special characters. Okay, you see, and also some control characters. Okay, control characters are like this. Okay, null, SOH, STX, all these are. Okay, I will tell you what are those control characters. Okay, NUL, null, SOH, start of heading, start of text, STX, ETX, end of text. So these are also required for work to work with computer. All these control characters, these are called. Okay, suppose you want to give space, SP, space, delete, del, all these are available in the computer keyboard కదా, అట్లా అన్నమాట. సో ఇది ఇట్లా ఉంటాయి, అంటే కొన్ని ఉండవు దీంట్లో, జనరల్లీ ఇవన్నమాట. ఓకే, so for everything some code is given like this. You for example, first let us focus on the digits. Okay, see decimal digits 0, 1, 2. You see here, I will just a minute. This waiting. Oh, ఓకే, ఇది చూడండి బాబు, ఇవన్నీ డెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్. ఓకే, ఇవి నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, డెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ 0, ఇవన్నీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇదంతా డెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్. ఎక్కడ వరకు ఉన్నాయి, నేను వరకు. సో కంప్యూటర్లో ఎట్లా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం ఇవి? సో 0 అనుకోండి, దీనికి కోడ్ ఏముందంటే, ఇక్కడ బిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. అంటే నేను ఒక నిమిషం దీన్ని పెన్ ట్యాబ్లోకి తీసుకెళ్తా, ఇట్లా కాదు. జస్ట్ మినిట్ ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్. Yes. Okay. Now you are seeing now ASCII code. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Just a minute. Yeah. First, I'm getting some problem with the pen tab. Please wait. Repeated is okay. See the decimal digits here. These are the decimal digits here. Okay. How is the representation? Here you have to understand like this. B1 is the least significant bit, B2, next like that, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, like this, okay? B1 is the least significant bit. B7 is the most significant bit. It is a 7-bit code, okay? American Standard Code for information interchange, okay? So every symbol is given one code, okay? So how is this code? You see, for example, 0 is represented like this. I will write here separately. 0, 0 ఉంది బాబు. 0ని ఎట్లా రిప్రజెంట్ చేసినామంటే మనం 0కి ఏముంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఈ బిట్స్ కింద మీరు పెట్టండి 0కి. నెక్స్ట్ తీసేస్తాను. Zero is there. For 0, what is the representation for 0? Okay. So under B1, B2, B3, B4, for 0, we have got 0. We have got 0, 0, 0, 0. And next, here we have 0, 1, 1. Under 5, 6, 7, we have 0, 1, 1. So this is the ASCII code for 0. When you press key 0, this will be fed into the computer. What is this actually? In terms of hexadecimal code, it is represented as actually this is equal to 6. Sorry, not 6. This is represented as, I will tell why it is taken as 0. Okay, this is in the hexadecimal code, it is the 30 అంటే 30 అన్నమాట దానికి కోడ్ ఇచ్చారు. సిమిలర్లీ ఫర్ 1, దిస్ ఈస్ ఫర్ డిజిట్ 0కి ఇది ఇట్లా ఉంది. అండ్ ఫర్ డిజిట్ 1కి ఏముంది చూడండి అక్కడ. ఫర్ డిజిట్ 1కి ఏముంది చూడండి. ఫర్ డిజిట్ 1కి ఏముంది బాబు? 000 1 000 1 అండ్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఏముంది 011. ఓకే, 011 అంటే ఇదేంది 31 అనమాట, ఈక్వల్ టు 31. ఇది హెక్సాడెసిమల్ కోడ్ అనమాట. అంటే 4 బిట్స్ is taken as 1 hexadecimal digit. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు ఒక్కసారి హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్ అక్కడ చూపెట్టారు. ఒక్కసారి Once again, you have to see this one. కనిపిస్తుంది కదా ఇది. ఓకే, సిమిలర్లీ మీకు యాక్చువల్లీ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ అంటే ఇట్లా ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు బైనరీ కోడ్ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ ని మళ్ళీ బైనరీ కోడ్ రాయడం అన్నమాట. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 45 ఉంది, 45 దీన్ని ఎట్లా రాస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ చూడండి. హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ లో 45 ఉంది అనుకోండి, 45. ఓకే, ఇది హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్. ఓకే, సో దీనికి సింపుల్ గా 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 అంటే ఇది చూడండి 8421. ఇక్కడ ఇది కూడా 8421. అంటే ఈచ్ డిజిట్ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ ని, ఆల్ ద హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ 4 బిట్స్ అన్నమాట. ఆల్ ద హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ నేను చూపిస్తాను. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ఉండదు. 10 అంటే ఏ అన్నమాట. బి సి డి ఈ ఎఫ్ అంటే ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ ఏంది, ఇది 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. సో ఇవేమో దీస్ ఆర్ ద హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్. హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్, హెక్సాలో డిజిట్స్ అన్నమాట. హెక్సా డిజిట్స్ అని రాసేస్తాను సింపుల్ గా. సో ఫర్ ఈచ్ for representing each digit, for any digit to represent any digit of hexadecimal number system, we require 4 bits of the 4 binary digits, that is 0 0 0 for 0. For 1 we require 0 0 1. For 2 0 0 1 0. For 3 0 0 1 1. For 4 0 1 0 0. For 5 0 1 0 1. For 6 0 1 1 0. For 7 0 1 1 1. For 8 1 0 0. For 9 1 0 0 1. A means this is 10 actually. So 10, how do you represent 10? 8 plus 2 అంటే 10 అవుతుంది. అంటే 1 0 1 0. Similarly, B is represented as 1 0 1 1. C is represented as 1. C అంటే ఎంత, about 12 అంటే ఏంది 8 plus 4 అన్నమాట, like this. So once again in clarity కోసం ఇక్కడ ఇది వేస్తున్నాను 8 4 2 1. ఇది ప్లేస్ వైజ్ 8 4 2 1. మనకు D కావాలి అంటే డి అంటే ఎంత 13 మీన్స్ చెప్పండి ఏమేమి కావాలి 13 ఫామ్ చేయడానికి. 8 4 ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ 1 కావాలి అంటే ఇది అన్నమాట 1 1 0 1. అట్లానే ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు మేక్ 14 with the help of these 8 4 2 1 values, so we will get 14 అంటే 8 plus 4 plus 2 అంతేనా, అట్లా అన్నమాట. సిమిలర్లీ ఎఫ్ కావాలి అంటే 15. ఎఫ్ అంటే మీన్స్ 15 వాల్యూ. సో 15 రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలంటే ఇవన్నీ 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 అంటే అన్ని అండర్ ఆల్ దీస్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ వీ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ 1 అదనమాట. సో ఇవన్నీ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ రిప్రజెంటెడ్ with the help of binary. Okay, representation. Now I have shown you representation of hexadecimal digits. Hexadecimal digits with binary code, అన్నమాట అట్లా. సో ఆల్ ద హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్స్ ఆర్ రిప్రజెంటెడ్ విత్ బైనరీ కోడ్. సో మీకు బైనరీ కోడ్ కూడా ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా తీసుకోండి, మీరు ఎటో తీసుకుంటారంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది 45 ఉంది. ఓకే, రైట్, జస్ట్ మినిట్. ఇది యాక్చువల్ ఇక్కడ 45 అనేది హెక్సాడెసిమల్ డిజిట్ కాదు. రైట్. సో 4 5 అనేది 4ని సపరేట్గా విత్ 4 డిజిట్స్, 5ని సపరేట్గా 4 డిజిట్స్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేసినాం అనమాట ఇట్లా. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇది క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? ఇది చూడండి, మామూలుగా మీరు ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాల్కులేట్ హౌ మచ్ దిస్ వాల్యూ విల్ బి, ఇక్కడ 18, ఇది 16, ఇది 30, సారీ, ఓకే, కంటిన్యూ తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. సో ఇట్లా తీసుకోవద్దు అనమాట దీన్ని. సో మీరు ఇట్లా తీసుకుంటే వాల్యూ వేరే వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇది 32, రైట్, టైం ఎంత అయింది? 3:57 అయింది. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రెష్గా ఇది డీల్ చేస్తేనే బాగుంటుంది. ఇది మీకు కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు. సో ఇక్కడికి ఆపేద్దాం ఇది మనము. టుమారో వీ విల్ సీ ద హెక్సాడెసిమల్ నంబర్స్ అండ్ ASCII code. Now I have to take attendance also. Again we will discuss about these codes tomorrow. How this ASCII code was developed, you will understand. And okay, 3:57 is better to stop. And also I will upload whatever was discussed. I will upload. Okay, okay, I will stop it now because it is the last hour. It's not correct to discuss these fresh topics in this last hour. So I am stopping. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, I will note down the absentees roll numbers.